Well, I'm excited to bring access cabinets to our customers because for 2 decades now we've been offering and fulfilling many needs in the frame cabinet world. We've developed a really fantastic team of individuals that put people above products, and we found that we weren't able to meet a small segment of the market that wanted a little bit more contemporary application, right? Slab doors, very clean lines, looks fantastic, but it's really hard to accomplish with a framed box. So it was something that we've been looking into for a long time, and we finally found the right supplier at the right time, and we're ready to bring this to market. So my favorite feature about these cabinets is not only the sleek look that we get from them, but the fact that you can get them in 2 to 3 weeks. A lot of us have gone through the past few years. We hear talks of supply chain issues and all of these different things, and even with some of our other products, we've seen some longer lead times. They're back normal now, but nothing beats this. 2 to 3 weeks, and you're building your kitchen. It's just incredible. So that's my favorite feature of the process. One of the other features that I absolutely love about access cabinets is that when you look on the market for a frameless or a full access box, you are usually stuck with white or gray, maybe a black interior. I'm a wood lover. I love wood grains. I love what it does for the environment using wood products, sustainability, the look, everything about it. And one of the great features of access cabinetry is the upgraded birch interiors. It's just beautiful. I mean, just look at the way that pairs with a Phoenix door. So upgraded birch interiors is another one. One of my favorite finishes, although there's a lot of great options, has to be this Phoenix product. It's a finish that you really do need to feel. There's a self-healing property that has great scratch resistance and good functional properties, but the matte black has got to be my favorite. So how does this modern look fit with the existing cabinet joint? And that's pretty easy. While there are many people who come to our organization for the products that we offer, people tend to stick around and come back because of the people that are within the organization. And so we're still the same service-oriented group, the same team, while we are growing in size. The mission, vision, core values all remains the same. So you get the trustworthiness of our organization backing a product that the whole team is excited to release. It's a product we stand behind, and we're just looking forward to integrating this into our full offering. I'm asked the question many times, why choose the cabinet joint? Well, besides having probably the best product out there, with access to the Advantage framed line that we offer, the customizing things, all of these different pieces are kind of some of the tangible outworkings of the internal, intangible things that drive us as an organization. And it's probably service is the big driver in that. And not just service as in customer service, or service as in being servant-minded or servant leaders and having that servant mentality. Every person in the organization has the opportunity to give the company a big why, or a why would you get up out of bed and when it's a tougher day. Something bigger than yourself to go to work and push for and drive towards a common goal. There is a common goal to honor the Lord in anything that we're going to do, whatever our hand finds to do that with all of our might. And I get the privilege really of working with a team of people who love pushing that ball forward and being servant-minded and having servant's hearts. So it's really, that would be why I'd pick the cabinet joint. To talk a little bit more about our service, from the time you start with our organization and submitting a quote, there's a team of individuals who are pricing, quoting, helping develop, working behind the scenes to get you an accurate enough quote, even though it might just be for budget purposes. Then you're going to work with a cabinet coach or a design team. You're going to work with potentially even individuals in our marketing group and eventually our customer service and quality assurance folks. And so from the time you enter a quote to the time you drive your last screw or hang your last cabinet, you have somebody walking alongside you through that process. And I don't get that in a lot of places out there, but that's something you'll get here at the Cabinet Shop.